Welcome to Jordan's Kitchen with me, your host, Chef Jordan. Today, we'll be making dog treats using 3 simple ingredients. It's so easy, your dog can do it. Maybe. First, we're gonna preheat our oven to 375 degrees. Next, we're gonna find ourselves a big old bowl and add in a half cup of peanut butter. One cup of canned pumpkin. And now we mix it up. Now add not 1, but 2 cups of flour. We add our 2 cups of flour and we stir this into a nice dough. So I'm just gonna add some flour here to my cutting board. Get that all nice and messy. Yeah. The book doesn't say how to roll the dough. Looks like a kidney. Don't be afraid to bring the hammer down. Mamma mia. Let's go ahead and take some of our favorite cookie cutters and make some cool dog treat shapes. This one is a butterfly. We got a pumpkin here for Halloween. Dogs love Halloween, probably. And we're just gonna put our shapes onto a baking sheet. Get a couple more pumpkins in there because there's pumpkin in the recipe. Gonna get a heart because we heart dogs. Oh. So cute. Our scared cat here because it's Halloween and cats are scared of dogs sometimes. Now that we have our treats all laid out on a sheet, we are going to put it in the oven for 12 minutes. Now we wait. Done. 12 minutes exactly. They're not burnt, they're well done. I can hardly wait. And that's it. After you let them cool, they're ready to serve to your dogs. If they're good enough for your dog, they're good enough for me. Just like Grandma used to make. And that's all, folks. Thanks for joining me for another exciting episode of Jordan's Kitchen, broadcast from Stoneview Nature Center. See you later.
Oh.